Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm an indie game dev currently working on a shoot-'em-up roguelike called Osor. In this new game development tutorial, we'll have a closer look at game fun with the concept of variety. This video is the last part of a 3-part video series. In the other two, I talk about impact and challenge, rewarding and punishment. Before we get started, we actually need to know what fun is. And this is super difficult to declare, because it's super different for every human. It's clear that fun is an emotion, but other than that, we don't really know what fun is. But what we do know is that we can produce this emotion using some psychological tricks, which includes these 3 concepts. Now for variety, how does it affect the fun of a game? Humans are very likely to get sick of something pretty quickly when they need to do this over and over again. A game that is only about one thing and doesn't have anything different to offer is less fun than a game where you can do all which is always a bit different. This is why roguelike games have randomly generated levels that are different on every run. Otherwise you would get sick of playing the same levels again and again. Variety is there to keep the game interesting and not boring, and this will keep the player playing your game. As always, let's transfer this to the example project. It currently looks like this, but let's bring in some variety now. We can do this by adding another mechanic into the game, either parrying. This will lead a bullet to go into the opposite direction. By the way, in this example project we already added some variety in the last video, and these are these 2 spike balls patrolling around. With this you don't only have to dodge bullets from the terrain, but also these things. Besides this whole terrain destruction thing in the game, I also added some orbs that you need to collect to life. This helps the game to be a bit more varied. Now you don't only dodge bullets and destroy the terrain, but also need to collect those orbs. With this the game got much more fun. At the beginning it was just boring and dull. With impact added, it got a tiny bit more fun, but not much. Then with challenge, reward and punishment it was a lot more fun. It now had a pretty good game loop. And finally with variety it reached a level that is really acceptable. I made videos for all 3 concepts. Links for the other 2 are down below. I hope you enjoyed this video or even the whole series. If you like what you see here, I would highly appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Cheers.